As of yesterday, YouTube unleashed a massive game changer to every single channel. No more guessing, no more waiting. The thumbnail and title A/B testing tool is live. The power of data-driven optimization is in your hands. New to A/B testing? Here's the hack. You can now upload up to 3 thumbnails, up to 3 titles, or even test combinations. YouTube automatically rotates them. It's ABC testing for ultimate optimization. This is a monumental win. I've used this feature. Now I'm arming you to hit the ground running. No fumbling, no wasted time. Let's jump into the system and I'll show you the mechanics. First, during video upload, find Video Details. Scroll to the thumbnail section. You'll see Upload File, Auto-Generated, and Test and Compare. Click Test and Compare. Now pay attention. You can choose to test title only with up to 3 titles, thumbnail only with up to 3 thumbnails, or title and thumbnail variants together. Upload your up to 3 options for titles, thumbnails, or combinations. Once uploaded and your video is public, YouTube starts the test. To check results, go back to your video's details page. Scroll down to the thumbnail title area, hover over it, click the 3 dots, and select View Test Report. The report shows watch time share, not just CTR. Why? Simple. A click shows interest, but long watch time means expectations were met. It means your thumbnail title combination accurately promised what the video delivered. This alignment is what YouTube's algorithm prioritizes. It keeps viewers on platform. This is the ultimate signal to the matchmaker algorithm. See this example. My graphical thumbnails outperforming versions with my face. Hard truth? Maybe. But data doesn't lie. Never get emotionally attached to your creative output. The data reveals what your audience truly responds to. Test complete? Got a winner? Great. You can run new tests anytime. This continuous optimization is core to growth engineering. Critical hack: when you first publish, test wildly different thumbnails and titles, not just a text color. Change the entire concept or the entire headline. YouTube is pushing your content to your core audience initially. You need to know their fundamental preference. Save minor detail tweaks for after the video settles. If you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comments. Hit subscribe to join our journey while we help you grow your channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video as we continue to engineer your growth.